Hi there, it's Susan Phelps. I'm in Oasis in Welland Park, and I came out to check on the location of a lot that one of my customers has decided to build on. He did this decision long distance over the internet, and today I came out to just check on that location and look at the model at Oasis and send him some video. So hang tight and I'll show you what I found. Okay, I have a correction. You'll find that Oasis is presented and sold as part of West Villages and not Welling Park, but it's in the area. This MI model at Oasis we're viewing is called the Crystal. It has 2,309 square feet on the main floor and then 3,118 square foot total when adding the optional upstairs bonus room. I love the MI Homes design style. It's just an opinion, mind you, and I like the contrasting hardware and the white and black palette. Now this is cool. You don't even have to move your dog crate. You have one built in. They've used this flex room for basically a study. They added some French doors. The kitchen is well equipped and the design choices are stunning. And the open floor plan, it's still very appealing to most people. Now there's a drop zone right here in the little hallway before you enter the owner's suite. They've added some extra storage on this countertop for it. Makes things easy to get to. Forgive that jump there. This is a great size lanai. And then that added extension that's under the screen cage, you won't have to worry about bugs. And that really increases your outdoor living space. And they added a beautiful summer kitchen. So when you're viewing models, you can bet on seeing about all the upgrades that you could get. So be sure you get a feature sheet for each community you visit. You'll find that some builders will keep it basic, and that's reflected in their price, and some include upgrades that are standard in their base house plan price. If you're researching builders, you'll find out that MI Homes is named for Morris and Ivan, partners in the building industry. They've been building in our area less than 5 years, I think, and they're the only builder I know of that offers a 15-year warranty. Robin, the sales rep here, says that they had 39 lots left, and that was over a week ago. They release slowly as well and do keep a list. There's no auctioning. They're also building in other locations around Sarasota and Manatee counties. And I did a video already of Promenade Estates, Hidden Creek, and Revo Lakes, but I think Revo's sold out now. So I'm off to view the lot and give you a quick view of the neighborhood. So I found the lot and then sent this video to my customer. He was very grateful to see it and was satisfied with his choice. So that's my goal, to have satisfied customers. Let me know how I can help you with your move to our beautiful area, and be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the real estate news and new home communities from Sarasota Zoos. Bye-bye.